Hi, my name is Christian, and our presentation topic is crime data analysis. My teammates are Mehta and Sai. Here we'll see total IPC crime by states and union territory. Highest IPC crime states are Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu top the list, indicating this region with the highest number of crime and better reporting mechanism. As we see the union territories reports less crime. There can be two factor. One can be uh, the reporting mechanism is not very well, and the limited population is also one of the reasons. Now we'll see crime against women by state. Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and West Bengal report the most cases, highlighting critical area needing gender safety intervention here in these states. And in the union territories like Lakshadweep, Daman, Diu, reports the least crime against the women due to underreporting also, or maybe due to the less population. Now we'll see violent crime by states. There are three categories: murder, attempt to murder, and homicide not amount to the murder. The top violent states are Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and Maharashtra lead in the violent crime, especially in the murder, attempt to murder, and signaling high conflict zone. In Uttar Pradesh, uh, this is showing the murder, and this part is showing the attempt to murder. This one, and this is the culpable homicide, not attempting to the murder. The least affected states are this one and the union territories like Lakshadweep, Daman and Diu, and all. Now we have done performed the analysis on the top 10 district with the highest total IPC crime. Here the Madhya Pradesh tops the list with following Maharashtra and Tamil Nadu, uh, indicating the concentrated crime zone in this state. Like uh, in Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, the crime is spread all over the state, not just coming from the one district. As we have written here, the top high crime districts span across the major state, showing that the IPC crime are not limited to the single region, but they are nationally widespread. Here we'll see is crime against women. Andhra Pradesh tops the list with the number of crime exceeding 2,20,000, and Odisha reports the lowest among the top 10, a significant gap between the top and the bottom state. Uh, this is the top 10 district having property crimes like theft, burglary, and auto theft. Maharashtra has the highest number of cases for all three types of the property crime, followed by Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. The theft is the most common, as we can see here. The theft is the most common crime in all the district. We can see here by burglary and auto theft. Here we have done the analysis on the murder cases by state. Uttar Pradesh records the highest number of murder cases by significant margin compared to all other states. The number of murder cases dropped sharply after the few top states like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, indicating a small number of states contribute to the larger portion of the total number of murder incident in our country. Kidnapping and abduction cases. Uttar Pradesh has the highest number of kidnappings, substantially more than any of other state. There's a very steep decline in the number of cases after the first few states like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan, as we are seeing here. Uh, Now we'll see rape cases by state. Madhya Pradesh tops the list with the highest number of rape cases, more than 70,000, uh, followed by West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh. And we can see also there is a steep decline after the very few top 5, 6 states. Dowry death by state. Um, Uttar Pradesh has the highest number of dowry death reported, significantly exceeding the figure from the other state. There's a here also there's a rapid decline in the number of dowry death after the first few states like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, indicating that these incidents are disproportionately concentrated in certain regions, certain states like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. Here the yearly trend in total IPC crime, like we can see, like there is a exponentially the crime is increasing. There's a overall increasing trend in the total number of IPC crime reported from 2001 to 2013. There's a more significant increase in the total IPC crime occurred in the later year of the period shown, particularly between 2011 and 12. There's a steep increase in the total IPC crime reported. This is the graph of yearly trends in crime against women. As we can see, the crime against women is increasing year by year. The total number of crime against women shows an overall increasing trend from 2001 to 2013. And also in later year, we can see like there's a sharp increase in the women-related crime. This is the comparison between the crime in urban area, rural area, and area type. Like there's a other category also. The number of IPC crime categorized as other is overwhelming higher compared to both rural and urban. The number of IPC crime reported in urban area appear to be slightly higher than those reported in rural area, although both are significantly lower than other category. Other category is nothing but in the data set there were the crime where it's not mentioned that they are from urban or rural. Uh, Here the crime category distribution in the top five states. In there the categories like murder, rape, theft, burglary, kidnapping, riots, and arson. The theft constitute the largest portion of the total crime cases in all the top five states like Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, and Uttar Pradesh. Maharashtra has the highest overall number of crime cases among the top five with significant contribution from the theft. Um, See, this much amount is theft, then kidnapping, uh, abduction, and riots. Here we have plotted the correlation heat map between the measure crime category. The categories are murder, rape, theft, burglary, kidnapping, riots, and arson. There is a strong positive correlation between the theft and burglary, suggests that the area with the high chances of theft uh, can have burglary also. And riot show relatively lower positive correlation with the other major crime categories, with the highest being 0.7 with the murder and the lowest being 0.63 with kidnapping, indicating a less consistent relationship compared to other uh, crime types. Uh, Here is the crime related to riots by state. Bihar has the highest number of crime related to riots, significantly exceeding the number reported in Maharashtra and the which is the second highest. Third highest, sorry, and the Kerala, which is the second highest. There's a steep decline in the number of riots related after crime after the first very few states like Bihar, Maharashtra, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, indicating that these type of crimes are concentrated in limited number of states. Auto theft cases by state. Maharashtra is the highest number of auto theft cases, significantly more than Uttar Pradesh, which has the second highest number. There is a substantial drop in the number of auto theft cases in the very first few states like Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, and Rajasthan. Cruelty by husband, relatives by states. West Bengal reports the highest number of cruelty cases by husband or relatives, significantly exceeding the number of cases in Andhra Pradesh, which is the second highest. And we can see here also there is a steep decline between the if we go further, there is a steep decline in the graph, and these are the top five states with contributing more to the total number of crime. Arson cases by state. Maharashtra, here also we can see Maharashtra has the highest number of arson cases reported, significantly higher than Andhra Pradesh, which is the second highest. And here also there is a steep decline between the states. Here, this pie chart shows that this is for 2001, 2002, and like this, there is not much difference between the number of crimes. Like the crime rate was steady between 7.6, 7.6, but in from 2011 to 12 and 13, there's a steep increasing in the crime rate As we can see here, the highest percentage of crime occurred in 2013, which is 9.17, suggesting that the crime rate saw a steady increase over the years, peaking in that year. Relatively stable crime rates from 2001 to 2010, like we can see here, the crime percentage hover mostly between 7 to 8%. Here we can see in total category of crime, the theft contribute 59.5%, followed by burglary and then kidnapping. Sorry, then murder and then kidnapping. Then we have used machine learning to get the deeper insights from the data. Here, this graph shows the K-mean clustering on the Indian state based on the crime pattern. This yellow color shows the uh, high high crime zone. These states like Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, and Maharashtra are categorized into the same category because they shows the high chances of the crime and all. And this pink one, Assam, Tamil Nadu, West Bengal, and all till Delhi shows medium level of crime. So they are grouped together, and this rest of the states shows relatively lower number of crimes. So they all are grouped together. They are marked with the orange color. And this was the code for that graph, like performing the K-mean clustering on the data set. We have used linear regression to predict the total IPC crime, and in Kerala, Assam, Andhra Pradesh, this one is the actual number of IPC crime, and this is the predicted one. This was the program for performing the linear regression on the data set. We have performed random forest also, and this blue one is the actual total IPC crime that reported, and the green one is the prediction from the random forest. Uh, this is the graph from the decision tree. This one is the actual, and this one is the uh, predicted by the decision tree. We can see here, like on Kerala, it didn't perform well, but just the it's near to the uh, actual one only. We have used NOVA test and t-test to find like there's a significant difference between the murder across different states. So there was a null hypothesis that uh, there's a significant difference between the different state, but because of the result, we can say like we reject the null hypothesis. Null hypothesis. There's a significant difference in the mean number of the murder across the different state in India. Here we have performed the test between the Maharashtra and the other states under the category of theft. We have found that the significant difference found between the theft in the Maharashtra and all other states combined, the p-value is greater than or equal to 0.5, then the null hypothesis is accepted. Uh, and it is concluded that there is a significant difference between the mean number of theft in Maharashtra, the mean number of theft in all other states combined. Thank you.